The wait for the Galaxy S11 is almost over, as Samsung has officially announced a date for its next big smartphone launch event, Tuesday, February 11th. Samsung's Unpacked keynote will take place in San Francisco at 11 a.m. Pacific Time on February 11th, according to the official invite sent to media outlets. This mirrors last year's Galaxy S10 launch event timing and city. There are some differences in 2020. We are expecting 3 Samsung Galaxy S11 phones instead of 4, all containing a 5G modem. That means there is no need for a sequel for the standalone Galaxy S10 5G. While we still expect the new phones to be dubbed S11, there have been rumors of the Samsung will leapfrog 9 names and use a Galaxy S20 numbering scheme. The Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 could show up at the Unpacked event as well. And if Samsung has sorted out the issues that held up the first Galaxy Fold, the new model could manage to launch on time. Last year, the Galaxy Fold release date was delayed by 5 months. It may also take on completely different form as a foldable flip phone we saw in a Samsung video back in October 2019. Samsung Galaxy S11 expectations. At present, we are expecting the Galaxy S11 line to include a base model, a S11 Plus model and an Ultra model per a recent rumor. The lineup is also expected to offer display sizes from 6.2 inches up to 6.9 inches. All 3 should be powered by either a new Samsung Exynos chipset, most of the world, and a Snapdragon 865 chipset, likely in the US region dependent. Given the fact that the event lines up with 2019's timeline, we can expect to see the new Galaxy S11 phones go on sale towards the very end of February or early March, right around the MWC 2020. Last year's phones were first released on March 8th. The Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 is less of a certainty. While we expect the company will include a new foldable device at its February event, there is less concrete evidence of an immediate release date. After all, there was a gap between the original Galaxy Fold and the Galaxy S10 phones. It's also unclear if we can expect the new flip phone style design like the new Moto Razr, or whether Samsung is planning a direct follow-up to the mini tablet like the Galaxy Fold, one that's expected to have a similar design but further refinements. The February Unpacked event isn't the only place to see the new Samsung tech though. Keep an eye on CES 2020 for more, and we'll let you know if we hear more about the device from Las Vegas.